In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the sketch feature in draw.io for Confluence. By the end, you'll know how to give your diagrams a friendly, hand-drawn look that's perfect for brainstorming, wireframes, and early-stage planning. Start by opening Confluence and creating a new page. Use the Add Page option to spin up a blank page you can edit. This keeps everything inside your workspace and lets you insert diagrams right where your team will see them. In the editor, type slash, then start typing draw. The slash command opens Confluence's macro picker, and searching for draw makes it easy to find the draw.io integration without digging through menus. Select draw.io diagram from the list. This will insert a diagram block into your page and open the draw.io template chooser so you can decide how you want to start. In the template chooser, choose the basic category. It's a clean, minimal starting point that won't add any extra styling or structure you don't need. Pick blank diagram to start from scratch. This gives you a clean canvas for shapes, connectors, and notes, and it's the quickest path to trying out the sketch look. Click Create to open the editor. You'll land on the draw.io canvas with your shape library on the left and formatting options on the right. Next, open the Style panel. You'll find it in the formatting sidebar on the right side of the editor. If you have a shape selected, Style controls how it looks. If nothing is selected, the options you set will apply as you add new shapes. Now enable the Sketch feature. In the Style panel, locate the Sketch checkbox and turn it on. Instantly, your lines and shapes will switch to a hand-drawn appearance with slightly irregular strokes that signal work in progress. This is great for keeping discussions exploratory and avoiding the polished look that can lock ideas too early. You can toggle this off anytime if you want to return to crisp lines. If you'd like, customize the style while you're still in the Style panel. Adjust color schemes to match your team's palette, or choose softer tones to keep focus on structure over aesthetics. Lighter borders and muted fills often work well with the sketch look, while brighter colors can help call out key steps or decisions. These tweaks only change the presentation. Your diagram's content and structure stay the same. When you're done, head back to your Confluence page creation view using Add Page and New Page, just like at the start, so you can continue building out your content around the diagram. And that's it. You've set up a new page, inserted a draw.io diagram, enabled Sketch, and optionally refined the colors to suit your needs.